Human transportation has transformed from simple footsteps to journeys beyond Earth. Let's travel through thousands of years of innovation in just 96 seconds. For thousands of years, walking was humanity's only way to travel, allowing people to migrate across the world. The invention of the wheel revolutionized transportation, making it easier to move goods and travel longer distances. Domesticated animals allowed civilizations to travel farther, transport heavier loads, and expand trade across continents. Sailing ships connected distant civilizations, opening new trade routes and leading to the age of exploration. The steam engine transformed transportation by making long-distance travel faster and more reliable than ever before. Cars gave millions of people personal freedom, changing cities, economies, and daily life forever. Today's transportation is becoming cleaner, smarter, and increasingly driven by artificial intelligence. High-speed rail continues to redefine land transportation with incredible speed and efficiency. Airplanes shrank the world by allowing people to cross continents and oceans in just hours. Humanity has gone beyond our planet, making space travel the newest chapter in the evolution of transportation. From walking across ancient landscapes to exploring outer space, transportation has always pushed humanity farther than ever before. And our next